Hey guys, welcome to Magical Step. So sit down choreography is in trend and I know how much you guys love to try them out. So here I am back with another sitting dance tutorial on this beautiful song Love Per Eye from the series Bandish Bandit. I'm assuming that if you're here, you have already watched the dance cover. If not to worry, you can click on the link in the description below or hit the I button, go watch the video, know the choreography, get the feel, come back and learn this routine. So I'm already excited to see you guys try this routine. So without any delay, let's jump to the tutorial. So if you're new to the channel, please note we have flipped the video so that you don't get confused with the direction. So this is my right side and this is my left side. So the Tumri which you're going to learn today has very beautiful lyrics, and if you understand the lyrics, it will be very easy for you to grab and learn the steps. I personally love the second paragraph of this Tumri and we'll be learning the same. The lyrics start with Man ki पीढ़ा koi na जाने. So let's first talk about the leg position, how you'll be sitting. So you have to fold your legs back in the center and sit. Okay. From here, your hands, both the hands from your waist will go hit in, take a circle and come to the center. Easy? Let's do it again. Hit, twist, center. So left hand will be on the chest, right hand on your stomach. Okay. So it's called Man ki pidha. So it's 1, 2. Okay. With your wrist you do 1, 2. Okay. So Man ki pidha. Okay. Pidha. 1, 2, center. 1, 2, center. So your chest is also going in, out. So Man ki pidha. Okay. From here, right hand will go out to the right side. Left hand will go out to the left side. Okay. So 1, 2. Palms facing out. From here, you cross your hands. Palm facing towards your face. And then you do out. Again, palm facing inside, and then you take your palm out and you do cross, open. Easy. So on the lyrics it goes Man ki pidha koi na jane. Na jane is the cross. With this you have to do a head movement of no. Okay. So sitting dance choreography is more about expressions. So make sure you put up your best expression while doing the routine. Okay. So koi na jane. Okay. From here, you switch to the left side and you take your index finger thumb together and make circle and circle twice. Circle and circle. So while the circle ends, your right hand is on your chest, left hand is out, open. From here, you change and take right hand out to the right side, open. Left hand on the chest. Easy. From here, your right hand you pull in and then back out. Okay. From here, what you do, you have to make a semicircle and take your right hand to the left side. While doing the semicircle, you have to stand, okay, on your knees. So stand and come to the left side. From here, you curl your fingers inside and you do out. Okay. So semicircle, out. Okay. Easy. From here, what you do, right hand will go up, okay, above your head. On the same time, your left hand will come to the chest. Easy. Palm facing down and right hand will go up. Okay. Now the left hand will do the same thing. Left hand will go up. Easy. From here, right hand you have to, from your neck, you have to twist and take it to the center. Okay. Again you have to twist. While twisting, your palm is facing up. Okay. Twist and then palm facing down. So same thing from here. First you do right and then you do left. Easy. From here what you do, you have to make a circle in the center twice. So your fingers will all be closed and then you make 2 circles in the center. Okay. 2 circles and down. So when you do down, your right hand is in the center, left hand open, down and then up. Up to the right side. So when I do up, I am sitting down again. Okay. So down, up. Okay. Let's see from the top how it goes on the lyrics. So this is our initial leg position. Down. Yeah. Man ki pidha koi na jane, man hi jane, main janu na jane beri. Okay. न जाने बेरी ये दुनिया. 1 2 down up. Okay, easy. From here the lyrics is Aina Bhavra. So you have to take your right hand on your chin, left hand below your elbow. Okay, from here you have to search for the Badal. So now your body is facing to the right side. From here you have to search and go to the left side. Okay, search Aina Badal. Okay, and you have to make a Badal in the left side. So I am taking my index finger and middle fingers together and I am making a Badal here. Okay, from here you have to, left hand palms will be facing outside, right hand palms will be facing inside. Okay, and this is a position, and you have to shimmy and come to the center, and then to the right side, shimmy and come to the center. So when you are doing to the right side, right palm facing out, left palm facing in. Okay, shimmy and come to the center. So Aina Badal Neer Bahane. Okay, from here you have to twist your right hand, you have to twist and make a bird. Okay, cross. Okay, right hand front, left hand back, both the palms facing towards you, you make a bird. So thumb and index finger together like this, and you have to twist and make a bird. So it's a bhavra. Okay, from here you have to make a little shimmy. Okay, and the bhavra will go from the right shoulder to the left shoulder, making a semicircle above your head. So na koi bhavra na kaliya. So from here what I did, I made a flower twist and namaste position above your head. Okay, so how we did the twist? So bhavra is here, right hand is in front, left hand is in back. So left hand goes down, out, this position and back to the initial position. Easy. So we do 1 and 2 and namaste. Okay, na koi kaliya murjhaye hai. Okay, so first right hand will come down, murjhaye, and then hai, your left hand will come down. Easy. Let's see it again from the top. So man ki पीढ़ा कोई न जाने, मन ही जाने, मैं जानू, on मैं जानू we're taking it in, मैं जानू, न जाने, ना जाने, we are standing up, very, 1 2 3 4, circle, circle, down, up. Okay, from here on the chin, आईना बादल नीर बहाने, ना कोई भंवरा ना कलियां मुरझाए हाय. Easy. Got the lyrics? It's very lyrical, so as I told, if you know the lyrics it will be very easy for you to grab the steps. So we are here. From here we go to the left side. Okay, from left side we make a semicircle showing out to everyone. Okay, so palm facing up. From here this, and we end to the right side. So make a semicircle, come to the right side. Okay, from here we do a twist and then do the twist to the other side. Okay, so make a semicircle. How we did a twist? From your wrist, you are left hand is in the front, right hand is in the back, and we just twist and make the left hand in the back, right hand in the front. Easy. So we twist and then we twist to the left side. Okay, from here I'll just show you how you have to make the next step. So from left side you make a circle, okay, and end to the right side. So how we make a circle? Circle and this. So we are making actually a cross. Okay, you can see one circle, cross, and to the left side. So the same thing we'll do above our head. Cross and right, then cross and left. Easy. Okay, so from here we ended cross and right, cross and left. From here your right hand will go twist, twist up. Okay, both the hands will twist, twist, and right hand from left side will go twist, twist twice, and it will go up to the right side. From here you come to the center. So now the left hand from down will come to the chest, okay, or stomach, you can say, and right hand from the right above, it will come above your head. Okay, easy. You are still looking to the left side, and then there is a head movement where you look to the left side. So let's see it on the lyrics. So we'll start from the आयना बादल. Okay, so आयना बादल नीर बहाने, ना कोई भंवरा ना कलियां मुरझाए हाय. ये on ये you do ये बगी या 1 2 twist twist center head. Easy. The next step is lad pachhtaun. Okay, so on the left side, from on the wrist you just hit. Okay, so lad. Okay, lad, and then left hand will come on the head, right hand below the elbow, and you do pachhtaun. Okay, okay, lad pachhtaun. From here, right hand will take a circle back from your head and come down. Okay, same time your left hand will be on the on your waist. Okay, so lad pachhtaun samajh na paun. So first right will go back from your head back and down, then left will go head back and down. Okay, from here what you do, you look back. Okay, and the right hand will come to your chin. रूठे रूठे पिया को. On पिया को you look to the center. Easy. So from here, रूठे. So my hand movement you can see is taking a twist and then I am going to the back. Okay, रूठे पिया को कैसे. On कैसे I am standing again on my knees. कैसे. Okay, कैसे मनाओ. You are trying to hug someone, so your both the palms facing out, you make a circle and hug. Okay, कैसे मनाओ. Okay, from here the right hand will face inside towards you. Okay, like this. Then left hand will do the same thing, facing inside. So when left hand is facing inside, right palm is facing outside. So from here, right in, then left in and right out. Okay, bhed. It's bhed. From here you sit down. Okay, now my legs are folded towards the left side and my body is faced towards the right side. Okay, bhed jiya ke. Okay, bhed, you come down, right hand up, left hand down, facing down, fingers, and you make a twist. Okay, and then right hand will facing, right fingers facing down, left fingers facing up. So you from your palm you do this and then you make a twist on near your chest. So bhed jiya ke. Okay, from here imagine you're hiding something inside your hands like this. You've closed it. Take it out, show to someone, but don't open it. And then go to the left side, show to someone and open it. Okay, imagine this is a box. So kisko दिखाऊं. On दिखाऊं you have to open the box. Okay, from here you have to take your right hand back and left hand will come to your mouth and you go out. Okay, किसको बताऊं. From here you take your right hand, hit on your left hand, then left hand will go up, hit on your right hand, and then right hand will go up. So from बताऊं, then right hand is up, hit on your left hand will go up, hit on your right hand and right hand will go up. So बताऊं कलेश, then up and up. So what I did, right up your head, left on your near your stomach, and then change. Kalesh ho o. Okay, from here what you have to do, you make a Krishna. Okay, easy, you know, right, how to make a Krishna. So Krishna Basuri you are actually showing. So right hand here, left hand near your lips. Okay, from here the right hand will go up, showing the peacock leaf. Okay, so from here up. Okay, from here what you do, you do a roll and roll inside and take it out. Okay, roll and roll twice. Roll, roll, out. So when you go out, your right hand, all the fingers will be closed, and with the left hand you have to hold your hands, right hand. Okay, so out. So you do twist, twist, out, and then you pull in twice. Okay, so kanhai na chhod re. On re you go out and then in. So let's see on the lyrics from Lad Pachtam. Okay, so on Lad Pacha your legs was to the right side. Okay, from here Lad Pachtam समझ न पाऊं, then रूठे पिया को कैसे मनाऊं, भेद जिया के, sit down, legs to the left side, भेद जिया के किसको दिखाऊं, किसको बताऊं, कलेस हो कन्हाई ना छोड़ रे कलाई. Okay, got the lyrics? From here you switch to the left side, and on the left side, left hand up, right hand down, you twist, twist twice, and then third you make a long twist. Okay, so first two twist is fast, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, duhai. Okay, from here what you have to do, you have to cross your fingers together like this, and you have to stand on your knees. Your hands will make a circle back from your head, chest, cross, open. Okay, so what we did, duhai, finger cross, take a twist, take it back to your head, center, cross, open. Easy. From here you do 1 2 3 4. So from your shoulder you do 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the lyrics is दुहाई भूल न जा दर बेस. Okay, from here again you have to sit, and now the legs will be folded towards the right side. So more saiya. So more saiya. So from hand movement is your index and middle fingers will be out. Imagine you have a dupatta, down and up. More saiya. Easy. From here right hand up, left hand below the elbow, and you have to twist your hands, and you have to sit to the right side. Okay, this is the position, your legs. So you were first here, and your right leg will come up. So this is the first position, and then your right leg will come up. From here you have to do 1 and back. So you have to make your legs straight and back. Both the hands will be on your knees, and you do 1 and back. Okay, more saiya main lagu tore paiya. Okay, from here what you have to do, circle 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 out 3 times. Okay, so from here first right hand will go back, left hand will go front, change change change. Easy. From here what you have to do, you have to make 2 circle in the center. While doing 2 circle you have to come back to the center, legs again back to the initial position. So from here you do 2 circle and show back to the left side, index finger pointing, and you do circle circle back, and then right hand from here will go out and try to hold someone. Okay, so your saiya is going and you're trying to stop. Okay, let's see it on the lyrics. We'll do from the kanhai. Kanhai na chhod re kalai, duhai bhool na ja dar be, more saiya main lagu tore paiya, balam na jao pardes. Okay, easy. So let's see this entire part from the kanhai. Okay, so this is the initial position. Kanhai na chhod re kalai, duhai. Okay, bhool na ja dar na When you do, you sit a little and again stand up. Okay. Darbes more saiya saiya मैं लागू तोरे पैया बलम. Okay, it's fast. Okay, बलम ना जाओ परदेस. On परदेस you try to hold. Okay, easy. From here you have to again stand on your knees. Stand. From here your right hand will go up. Okay, left hand will go down like this. Change. Now left hand is up, right hand is down. Look at my body and head. The hands which is up, my head is switching to that side. Okay, so right, then left, then right, then left. Easy. 4 times. From here left is up. Imagine you have a knife and put it on your chest. So 1, 2. Okay, now right hand will go out, left hand will go back. Okay, to the center, right out, center, left out. Okay, and then center, cross and open. When you do cross and open, you sit down, palm facing out. Cross, palm facing in, and when you open, it is facing outside. Okay, let's see it again. So lage jiya ko ठेस रे. Okay, from here imagine you have a bow and arrow and you are pointing the arrow. Take it in. So from here right hand will go to the left side, touch the left hand, take it back to the chest and leave the arrow. Okay, so lage jiya ko 2 times. Jiya ko. So lage jiya ko. From here take your fingers together inside like this and hit to the right shoulder. Okay, 1, then left to shoulder. Okay, so you are taking your fingers like this, right shoulder, left shoulder, hit. Okay, from here right hand will come up like this, left hand will come horizontally below the right hand. Okay, and then you hit your head and then change. With the left hand you hit your head. So ठेस रे. Okay, now there is one more beat where you do namaste and open on your face. So namaste near your face and open, palm facing back. ठेस रे. Okay, so we'll do it again from here. लागे जिया को ठेस रे. लागे जिया को ठेस रे. Okay, from here what you do with your thumb, take it out from center of your chest, you make a heart going down. So you make a heart, then twist both your hand out, come to the center. Okay, from here you hit your head, both the hands, right hand up, left hand down, hit inside and go down. Okay, easy. From here you just go up and right hand facing out. Easy. Let's see it again from the top. मन की पीढ़ा. Okay, let's see it quickly again. We'll do a quick revision. So 5, 6, 7, go. मन की पीढ़ा कोई न जाने, मन ही जाने, मैं जानू न जाने मेरी ये दुनिया. 1, 2, down, up. आए न बादल मेरे बहाने, ना कोई खबरा न कलियां मुरझाए, हाय ये बगिया. 1, 2, center head. Okay, लड़ पछताऊं समझ न पाऊं, रूठे पिया को कैसे मनाऊं, भेद जिया के किसको दिखाऊं, किसको बताऊं कलेश हो, कन्हाई न छोड़ रे कलाई, दुहाई भूल न जा दरबे, मोरे सैया मैं लाग तुम्हारे पैया, बरम ना जाओ परदेस, लागे जिया को ठेस, लागे जिया को ठेस, लागे जिया को ठेस. Well done guys, with this we have come to the end of this quick tutorial. Please excuse my singing skills, but I hope you have enjoyed this choreography and learned something out of it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Do share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below. If you have any doubt or any query in any of the step, you can always go back, revise the step again and again. I'm sure you'll master it. I'm eagerly waiting to see you guys try this routine. Do tag us on Facebook or Instagram at Magical Step, or you can use hashtag Magical Step Choreography so that we get notified for your beautiful videos. I'll be back again with another beautiful dance cover soon. Till then, keep dancing and supporting. Bye bye.